we already saw the yen in liquidation, so we know the yen is selling off. We saw the yen is selling off, and we took the dollar yen up, and we saw the yen selling off. But now I have the euro, which was selling off. Now the news came out. We don't know the reaction for the news. So if the new market considers the news to be positive, then the first thing, if the euro goes up, the first one that they're going to buy is the yen, because the yen is the weakest. So in this case, my first candidate, if I realize that we're having a positive undertone of the euro after the news event that came done, then I want to buy. The euro will become, if they believe that the euro is going to survive, they will be buying the euro, and of course they will be selling the yen in this case, which is weak across the board. So having said that, I'm going to note first, my first candidate would be the euro yen. And take a look at this, guys. Look at this close on Friday. Even with all the row that happened or happening in Ireland, and yeah, Kamil, I think, yes, I agree with you. That was I mean, that was the trade of the week. The euro yen taking it short below 113.60. Yeah, 300 pips in 2 days. In actually 1 day. In this case, guys, in this case, with all this bad news, the euro yen has held so far. So this tells me what, that the smart money is not betting on selling the euro, or they're expecting maybe some short covering. So we're not gonna predict, but we're going to anticipate where we're going to be buyers of the euro yen. And if you look at the intraday, just having some data being downloaded, this is still quite positive. So what we're going to do is we're going to be buyers of the, or looking to buy the euro if it breaks above, the euro yen if it breaks above. The guys who were in the class last week, look at this. Look at the euro. This is how it closed the session. Xavier, the guys, I'm calling the ones that were in the class last week. Xavier, who else was there? Jamie, I think. Yeah, Jamie. This is your preparation. You got this at the end of the session. This is what you get. See that? So now the bias is to the upside. That's my bias. I'm not going to say that is what happened at the end of the session. So we're looking to buy it, and I will take it above the high of the session, which is 111.50. Let's make it one. So anything above the 111.50, we're going to be buyers of the euro yen. And if we do buy it, we're going to place our stop below the 111. So my long stop is going to be the 111.002, which is basically 111. You don't have to nickel and dime yourself. My structural point here is the 110.56. This is going to be my short point, and it is also going to be my stop, and it is going to be my structural short. And in this case, my structure long now is going to be the 113.60. And this is when you do your homework once, it will be easy to do your homeworks after that. Every day that doesn't require much work because already you have done the work once. So the euro yen, we're going to buy above 111.50. And if we do, we're going to place our stop below 111, so we're risking 50 pips or half a yen. And my structure long is 113.60. And if I'm going to go short, I'm going to go short below 110.56. I need to make sure that this is reversing and it's coming down. Okay, and my structure short in this case is going to be the 110.56, which is my short entry, and it is going to be my stop. Okay, that is the euro yen. The next one is going